effects. So here is just basically focus on making sure the music matches, and the music is nice, and then the words that you need, that you got from the spreadsheet, are put in correctly, so it makes a full-blown commercial or video advertisement. Or one last thing, the logo. Not all of them will have logos, but if you want to include a logo, I use this effect here called logo. So basically, you drop it to wherever you want it to be. And then you drop to wherever you want to be, and then by default, the logo is here. It puts the media, that's the picture here. So the user, all the user has to do is to just upload their logo, and drag and replace this one, and replace the default one, and then it will be there. And they also and by the way, when you add logos, pictures, you want to set scale without crop. That gives you the original feel. That's that for that. So basically, this way the user doesn't have to worry about checking the effects, the fade effects, or any effects that you put. For example, the fade effects basically means like when it fades in and when it fades out, you can just drag here and drag there. And this works the same way for throughout, the whole system, based on how what you drag. That's how the effects work. Typically, you have to make something longer or shorter. You can just drag it, put your mouse and let the mouse change, and drag it through a fro to make a clip shorter. Here you can trim, or you can also do this. You can use this to trim it. The same thing here. You can change the speed here. Pretty much some basic editing tools here that you can kind of play around and use. And I'm not going to tell you how to do. Just use your creativity and produce a very good template. What else? There are transitions here. We have, but make sure you don't upload. Videos that you're not going to use. And one very, very important thing. This is extremely important. Do only one video at a time. After you finish one template, one template at a time. If you finish one template, let us know. Let Pancho know so we can approve it. If it's approved, then you can go in and start the next one. This is because it's very complicated for the approval process. So please do it one at a time. So don't upload the videos that you need for another template into one. So when you're doing one, only have the videos for that one. Like for example, I only have these 2 videos which I'm using for this here. So if you're using 1 or 2 or 3, make sure it's just that you upload, because you can't delete. Only we can delete it. So after you finish the template and we check it out, you let us know. We check it and it's approved. We're going to remove it from here, and everything will be blank, so you can start again on the next one. It's very important. It functions that way. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't remember name all the media. Give them proper names in the label. The video ones you can leave it as is if you're using the default, or just give them reasonable names that someone can use to recognize them, but label them accordingly, so that way whoever's using them, editing them, can find the clips easily. Here, that's it for labeling. So the only other thing that you want to do after you're done with editing, you can always save. When you save, it saves that particular template, and when you save it, you can then after you save, you can go, this button will highlight create video. You click on create video, it will render. It takes about 10 minutes to render, or to complete rendering one full, like 30-second commercial. So just be patient, let it render. After it renders, you can go under download video here to view the finished product. Here you can click on that, and to play you the finished product. That's the last one you rendered. Remember, if you rendered and made some changes and you save again, and you render again, it will always play the last one you rendered or saved. You always play the last one you rendered or saved. And here you can download a copy of the video here, and that's pretty much it. Remember, you use the view your video, not this view preview. View preview pretty much the same as what you see here, but view your video shows you the one, the actual ones, the finished products, as it will look to the customer. Thank you. And after you've done that, just let us know so we can immediately, so we can check the template. If it's okay, we can move it over to the approved templates, and you can get started on the next one.